Here's your rewritten script, expanded to about 15 minutes long, with storytelling elements, an engaging hook at the start, and a sharp closing using your requested line. It's written in paragraph form, not scene by scene. Have you ever been halfway up a mountain, clutching the side of a cliff, wishing your action camera could just keep up with the moment without making you fumble through menus or miss the perfect shot? I have. And if you've ever lived for the thrill of the ride, the climb, or the story unfolding in front of you, you know that your gear has to be just as ready as you are. That's why today we're diving into a big question. Is the new DJI Osmo Action 6 really worth the upgrade from the Action 5? Or is it just another flashy release that'll leave your wallet lighter and your backpack heavier? Before we jump into specs and features, let's set the scene. DJI isn't new to the action camera game. The Action 5 was already a strong contender, bringing a lot of what adventurers, vloggers, and filmmakers wanted to the table. But when rumors started swirling about the Action 6, there was a buzz, a feeling that DJI wasn't just looking to make a slightly better camera. They were looking to change the game. And from what I've seen, they just might have done it. First impressions matter, and from the moment you power on the Osmo Action 6, it feels different. It's fast, ridiculously fast. The redesigned interface is smooth like butter, with instant menu navigation, frame rate changes, and mode switching. No more tapping around like you're trying to crack a safe with frozen fingers. Everything feels natural, almost like the camera knows what you're about to do. It's the kind of responsiveness you don't appreciate until you've used slower cameras and missed once-in-a-lifetime shots because of lag. Then there's the new voice and gesture control system. Imagine this. You're scaling a cliff, one hand gripping the rock, the other dangling free. You can't dig into your pocket or tap a screen, but you can nod, wave, or shout a quick command, and bam, the Action 6 is rolling. It's the kind of simple brilliance that makes you wonder why it wasn't always like this. Connectivity has leveled up too. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairing are faster and more stable, meaning you can shoot, transfer, and even live stream with less downtime than ever. The revamped DJI Myo app lets you preview, tweak, edit, and even stream your footage without feeling like you're battling software made for a different decade. For travelers and vloggers, this smooth workflow is pure gold. Capture the moment, edit on the trail, post it before your coffee gets cold. And speaking of surviving the elements, DJI has built the Action 6 like it's prepping for war. The frame is rugged, compact, and tougher than ever. They didn't just slap a waterproof label on it. The new rubber-sealed USB port door hints at improved dust and water resistance, potentially eliminating the need for bulky housings. Rainstorm? Dust storm? No problem. Plus, the modular lens design means you're no longer locked into a single look. Need a wide angle for surfing? A linear lens for mountain biking? Swap and go. Stabilization is where the Action 6 really flexes. RockSteady Plus is not just marketing hype. It's like having an invisible gimbal fused into the camera body. Footage stays smooth even when the world around you is chaos. And the new in-camera horizon, leveling, and improved motion blur reduction in low light, those features are normally reserved for cameras that cost twice as much. DJI is pushing the boundaries here, blending intelligence and muscle in a way that makes even shaky handheld shots look cinematic. Let's talk about what you're actually seeing through that lens. The Action SIXS video quality is nothing short of stunning. With 4K recording up to 120 frames per second, you're getting crisp clarity and breathtaking slow motion. And thanks to a bigger sensor, low-light footage is no longer a grainy, unusable mess. City lights at night, candlelit dinners, twilight hikes. Everything looks richer, sharper, more alive. The dynamic range feels expanded, the colors pop naturally, and DJI's color science ensures your footage looks polished straight out of the camera, no hours of color grading required. One of the biggest complaints with previous action cams, battery life, has been tackled head-on. The Action 6 sports a beefier battery and a smarter, more efficient chip. Translation? Longer shooting times, even at higher resolutions. Plus, it supports USB-C fast charging and swappable battery packs. This is a game changer for anyone who's ever had their adventure cut short, because the red blinking battery icon popped up. Mounting options are smarter, too. New magnetic mounts mean quicker setup and teardown, and the expanded ecosystem of accessories lets you customize your rig for anything from deep-sea diving to cityscape vlogging. DJI clearly listened to creators who wanted flexibility without needing an entire suitcase full of adapters and mounts. Now, about release and pricing. While DJI hasn't dropped a hard date yet, the buzz suggests we'll see it hit shelves between March and June 2025. Pricing rumors indicate DJI wants to stay competitive with GoPro without crossing into luxury territory. That means premium features at a mid-range price point, a serious temptation for anyone sitting on the upgrade fence. But here's the thing that really sticks with me. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just a collection of random upgrades thrown together for a marketing campaign. It feels cohesive. Every feature complements the others. The new controls, faster processing, stabilization, battery life, image quality, it all serves the same mission, to let creators stay in the moment and tell better stories. Whether you're a solo traveler vlogging across continents, an adrenaline junkie bombing down a mountainside, or a filmmaker crafting cinematic B-roll for your latest project, the Action 6 feels like it belongs in your kit. It's smart, tough, intuitive, and, maybe most importantly, it feels like it was made by people who actually get what being in the field is like. Of course, the competition is heating up. GoPro isn't going quietly, and Insta360 is dropping some wild modular options that push creative boundaries. But if DJI keeps this momentum, they might just tip the scales for a lot of creators who've been loyal elsewhere. So, is the DJI Osmo Action 6 worth the upgrade from the Action 5? If you need faster, smarter, tougher, and better-looking footage with fewer headaches, the answer is a resounding yes. It's not just an upgrade. It's a reinvention of what an action camera should be. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.